Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's begin our lesson.
Question number 12. What is an example of ending diagonal in uptrend? The answer is, in the Dow Jones example, ending diagonal is wave 5 and a corrective wave started after completion. Question number 13. Should I get ready to buy or sell this previous ending diagonal in wave 5 in uptrend 0? The answer is, of course, get ready for a sell. This is a sign of strong fall coming, at least to the start of the ending diagonal point. Question number 14. At the end of a downtrend, should I consider buying or selling when I see ending diagonal in wave 5? The answer is, we should be waiting to take a buy, as this is a sign of accumulation and an upwave is to follow next.
Quote number 8. Jack Squagger said, "There is no single market secret to discover, no single correct way to trade the markets. Those seeking the one true answer to the markets haven't been gotten as far as asking the right question, let alone getting the right answer." This is an inspirational trading code to remind you to stop looking for shortcuts. In reality, no one really knows how to crack the market and be successful all the time. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.